In this video, we'll explore Europe's most magical snow destinations for your next winter adventure. Snow transforms the landscape, revealing nature's most spectacular displays and inspiring enchanting human traditions. Our journey takes us to three captivating winter wonderlands: Lapland, the Swiss Alps, and the Bavarian Alps. We'll begin in the mystical north, under the aurora-lit skies of Lapland. Then we'll ascend to the exhilarating peaks of the Swiss Alps, before ending in the storybook charm of Bavarian. Let's begin our expedition into the heart of Europe's snow-covered paradise. Our journey starts above the Arctic Circle, a place of stark beauty and captivating contrasts. We find ourselves in Lapland, a realm of endless twilight, where the sun barely kisses the horizon during the winter months, and ancient forests stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Here, snow-laden pines create a surreal, silent world, their branches heavy with the weight of winter's embrace, transforming the landscape into a scene straight out of a fairy tale. In this pristine environment, the only sounds are your footsteps crunching in the deep snow and the whispering wind as it dances through the trees, carrying secrets of the Arctic. In this deep winter, where temperatures plummet and daylight hours dwindle, Lapland prepares for its most magnificent spectacle, a celestial dance that has captivated humanity for centuries. It's the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. On clear, cold nights, when the atmospheric conditions are just right, the sky erupts in shimmering curtains of green and violet, a breathtaking display of nature's artistry that stretches across the heavens. This awe-inspiring phenomenon has fueled Sami legends of ancestral spirits dancing in the sky and cosmic foxes painting the heavens with their tails. Life here is deeply intertwined with the reindeer, a creature perfectly adapted to the harsh Arctic environment. These animals are essential to Sami culture, providing food, clothing, and a vital means of transport across the snowy landscapes. Embarking on a reindeer safari through the silent forest offers a meditative journey into the heart of Sami tradition, a chance to connect with the land and its ancient ways. Husky sledding, in contrast, is pure exhilaration, a thrilling adventure that awakens the senses. You can feel the raw power of the dogs straining at the harness, eager to run. They are launching you across frozen lakes and through snowy woods, a blur of white and excitement. In Lapland, the bond between humans and animals is palpable, a testament to the power of cooperation and the resilience required to thrive in this challenging environment. Near Rovaniemi, the Santa Claus village awaits, bringing childhood magic to life for visitors of all ages. The village is adorned with festive lights, carols fill the air, and the irresistible scent of gingerbread wafts from the charming shops. Meeting Santa himself rekindles a sense of wonder and joy, while the comforting warmth of a crackling fire and a steaming mug of hot berry juice offer a welcome respite after a day spent exploring the winter wonderland. The Finnish sauna is an integral part of life here, a tradition that dates back centuries. It's a ritual of purification and relaxation, stepping from the crisp, icy air into the enveloping steam, then bracing yourself for a plunge into a frozen lake, a practice known as avanto. This invigorating experience is both bracing and surprisingly restorative, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Lapland is more than just a destination on a map. It's a profound experience that awakens all the senses, a symphony of sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures. You'll witness the ethereal glow of the aurora, experience the profound silence of the snow-covered forest, feel the exhilarating thrill of a husky ride, and savor the comforting taste of warm berries by the crackling fire. It's a place that encourages you to slow down, to breathe deeply, strips life down to its bare essentials, reminding you of what truly matters. It leaves you with unforgettable memories painted in shades of white and blue, the colors of the Arctic winter, all illuminated by the magical glow of the Northern Lights. Here, you have the opportunity to reconnect with nature's raw and untamed beauty, and to witness the enduring spirit of the Arctic, a spirit of resilience, adaptation, and profound connection to the land. Whether you seek thrilling adventure or quiet tranquility, a chance to push your limits or simply to find peace, Lapland's magic will linger in your heart and mind long after you leave its snowy embrace. The breathtaking landscape, the rich traditions of the Sami people, and the warmth of the local communities all serve as a constant reminder of the immense power and enduring wonder of winter. In Lapland, every moment feels like a celebration, a joyful embrace of the season's unique gifts. It's a celebration of light in the midst of darkness, of warmth in the face of cold, and of the enduring power of community. It's a journey into the very heart of the Arctic cold, a place where the elements reign supreme. It's a journey into a realm where myth and reality intertwine, where ancient legends come to life under the dancing lights of the aurora. It's a place where the extraordinary becomes an everyday occurrence, where the magic of winter is woven into the fabric of daily life. The Arctic dream is not just a fantasy. It's vibrantly alive here in Lapland, patiently waiting for you to embark on your own personal journey of discovery and unlock its secrets. But now, with hearts full of wonder and memories to cherish, let's continue our journey south, leaving behind the Arctic's enchanting embrace. Our next destination is the towering peaks of the Swiss Alps, a majestic mountain range that promises a different kind of adventure. The adventure is just beginning, and the wonders of the world await us at every turn. From the Arctic's mystical forests, a realm of hushed beauty and frozen wonder, we now ascend to the majestic Swiss Alps. Here, we find a world defined by altitude and awe, a place where the air thins and the views expand to horizons unknown. Here, jagged peaks sculpted by time and weather, and sweeping glaciers, rivers of ice carving through the stone, create a dramatic playground for winter adventurers, a canvas of white upon which skiers and snowboarders paint their fleeting masterpieces. Swiss villages nestle in valleys, cradled by the towering peaks, while above, the wild mountains beckon skiers and snowboarders from around the globe, calling them to test their skills against the slopes. Zermatt, a jewel at the foot of the iconic Matterhorn, a mountain that pierces the sky with its unmistakable silhouette, offers car-free tranquility and breathtaking alpine views, a serene escape where the only sounds are the gentle clip-clop of horse-drawn sleighs and the whisper of the wind. Ascend by railway, a marvel of engineering that clings to the mountainside, and you'll witness ecosystems shift from forest to stark, high-altitude wilderness, a dramatic transformation as the trees give way to rock and snow. From the summit, the panorama of snow-capped peaks is unforgettable, a 360-degree vista that stretches as far as the eye can see, a kingdom of white and blue. The descent is pure freedom, a chance to feel the wind in your face and the snow beneath your skis. Each turn a dance with gravity and snow, a symphony of motion and balance in this pristine environment. St. Moritz, famed for its luxury and Olympic history, a playground for the elite and a stage for world-class competition, transforms its frozen lake into a stage for horse racing, polo, and even cricket on ice, a testament to the town's unique blend of glamour and adventure. The Cresta Run challenges the brave with its natural ice toboggan track, a thrilling descent that demands skill, courage, and a touch of madness. Swiss engineering, railways, cable cars, and lifts, a network of innovation that defies the steep terrain, makes this vertical world accessible, connecting valleys to peaks with precision, ensuring that everyone can experience the magic of the Alps. Yet, beyond adrenaline, the Alps offer moments of peace, a chance to escape the crowds and find solace in the quiet beauty of nature. Snowshoe hikes through quiet forests, where the only sound is the crunch of your boots on the snow, glimpses of wildlife, a fleeting encounter with a mountain hare or a majestic ibex, and the gentle creak of snow-laden branches. Alpine huts, or huts, provide hearty fare, a warm welcome, and a taste of traditional Swiss cuisine, cheese fondue, and rosti, fueling both body and spirit, a culinary embrace that warms you from the inside out. Fondue is more than a meal. It's a social experience. It's a ritual of warmth and togetherness after a day on the slopes, a chance to share stories and laughter with friends and family. As dusk falls, alpenglow paints the peaks in pink and orange, a breathtaking spectacle as the setting sun casts its golden light upon the snow-covered mountains, and villages below twinkle to life, their lights like stars scattered across the valley floor. Après-ski brings relaxation, laughter, and stories shared by the fire, a time to unwind and relive the day's adventures with newfound friends. The Swiss Alps are both adventure park and sanctuary, a place where you can push your limits or simply soak in the beauty of nature, a place to push limits or find quiet contemplation, a space for both exhilarating thrills and peaceful reflection. Here, you disconnect from the rush of modern life and reconnect with nature's grandeur, finding a sense of peace and perspective in the vastness of the mountains. Whether you crave speed or serenity, the Alps deliver a winter drama like no other, a symphony of snow, ice, and sky that will leave you breathless. The mountains challenge, inspire, and reward with unforgettable vistas and experiences, etching memories that will last a lifetime. Let's journey onward, leaving behind the towering peaks of Switzerland for the enchanting slopes of the Bavarian Alps. The next chapter of our winter tale awaits. Join us as we discover a gentler fairy tale winter, a world of charming villages and rolling hills. Our final stop on this winter journey is the breathtaking Bavarian Alps. Here, you'll discover a landscape of gentle, snow-covered slopes, dense, enchanting forests, and picture-perfect storybook villages that seem lifted straight from the pages of a fairy tale. Here, history and folklore come alive in every cobblestone street and snow-dusted rooftop. Most notably, from King Ludwig's legendary Neuschwanstein Castle, a beacon of romanticism and architectural fantasy. The region also boasts charming towns like Garmisch-Partenkirchen, a world-renowned destination for winter sports and Bavarian hospitality. Neuschwanstein, perched majestically on a snowy hill, overlooking the valleys below, is the ultimate fairy tale castle, a testament to King Ludwig's vision and a symbol of Bavaria itself. It's especially magical in winter's quiet, when the snow blankets the landscape and a sense of serenity descends. The walk through silent, snow-laden woods to the castle builds anticipation, heightening the sense of wonder as you approach, and the panoramic view from Marienbrücke, suspended high above the gorge, is simply breathtaking, offering an unforgettable perspective of the castle. Beyond the castles and scenery, Bavaria offers Gemütlichkeit, a unique blend of coziness, warmth, and good cheer that permeates every aspect of Bavarian life. This feeling fills every village, creating an inviting atmosphere for visitors from around the globe, with beautifully frescoed houses known as Luftelmalerei and welcoming inns offering hearty meals and local brews. During the Advent season, Christmas markets light up the season, transforming town squares into festive wonderlands, filled with stalls offering handmade crafts, steaming mugs of mulled wine, and the irresistible scent of gingerbread, roasting nuts, and other traditional treats fills the air. These markets are more than just places for shopping. They're vibrant celebrations of community, tradition, and the spirit of the season, bringing people together in joyful harmony. Skiing here is intimate and family-friendly, offering a more relaxed and personal experience compared to larger, more crowded resorts, with runs winding gracefully through forests, creating a magical and immersive experience. Imagine skiing right into the heart of a charming village, where you can step off the slopes and into a cozy cafe. For those seeking panoramic vistas, the Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak, offers unparalleled views across 4 countries, a truly breathtaking experience. Beyond downhill skiing, cross-country trails and invigorating winter hikes reveal tranquil, snow-covered landscapes, inviting you to connect with nature in its purest form. Frozen lakes like the Königssee, surrounded by towering mountains, become glittering plains, offering a unique perspective on the region's beauty. Even in winter, boat rides on the Königssee continue, showcasing the region's dramatic beauty and the famous echo, a truly unforgettable experience. And of course, no visit to Bavaria is complete without indulging in the hearty and delicious Bavarian cuisine. From succulent roast pork and creamy cheesy noodles to savory sausages and locally brewed beer, the flavors of Bavaria are sure to tantalize your taste buds. These comforting dishes warm you from the inside out after a day spent exploring the winter wonderland outdoors. Traditional chalets, with their distinctive steep roofs designed to shed heavy snow and sturdy wooden walls, are built not only for warmth and practicality, but also for harmony with the surrounding snowy landscape, creating a picturesque scene. The snow-dusted forests evoke the timeless tales of the Brothers Grimm, adding an extra layer of enchantment to the region, adding a layer of magic and mystery to every walk you take through these ancient woods. The Bavarian Alps offer a winter of unparalleled atmosphere, charm, and deeply rooted tradition, a place where you can slow down, disconnect from the everyday hustle, and rediscover the simple wonders of life. Here, history, folklore, and the breathtaking natural beauty of the Alps weave together into an enchanting tapestry that will captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories. From majestic castles that seem to float above the clouds, to twinkling Christmas markets that fill the air with festive cheer, every detail in the Bavarian Alps feels like a page lifted directly from a beloved fairy tale. This is a gentle, cozy winter escape, a world where magic is not only found in grand alpine vistas, but also in the small, intimate moments shared with loved ones. The Bavarian Alps warmly invite you to savor the beauty of the winter season, reconnect with cherished traditions, and find genuine warmth and hospitality in every corner of this enchanting region. As our journey through Europe's most captivating winter wonderlands nears its end, the magic of these destinations and the memories we've created will undoubtedly linger long after the snow melts. Let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and wonder we've discovered together on this unforgettable winter adventure. Our journey through Europe's winter wonderlands comes to a close. From Lapland's auroras to the Swiss Alps peaks and Bavaria's fairy tale villages, we've seen winter's diverse beauty. Each destination offers a unique way to connect with the magic of snow and ice. Even in the coldest season, there's warmth, wonder, and life to be found. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or tradition, Europe's snowscapes have something for every soul. I hope you're inspired to find your own winter adventure. Wrap up warm and discover the magic for yourself. If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.